Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do audio classification using MediaPipe in NextJS. Now you don't have to use NextJS, you can use any web framework or even vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's up to you. So let's get started. So here I have my NextJS app running. I have one button called classify audio, and I have also added the audio source tag inside my HTML, which I will show you in a bit, and it refers to one audio file of cats per. So if I just click on classify audio, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but here you can see in the console like it is able to recognize that okay, it was a cats per, like it is pretty confident on that. But there are other results also which it gives, and it is less confident on that. So here you can see it is able to show all these things. So yeah, let's see how to do this. And if I again click on the classify audio button, it will stop classifying. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first what I have done is that I have created a Next.js application. Next, inside package.json you will have to install this MediaPipe task-audio dependency. Just do an npm install. Next, inside src page.tsx, here I'm using this use client string because this is related to Next.js and not to MediaPipe or audio classification. Like everything in Next.js is server rendered or static rendered, but I want this to be client rendered. That's why I'm using this use client. Next, I have imported this use effect use ref audio classifier as well as file set resolver. Created a variable for audio classifier as well as one for audio ref and one for audio context as well. And inside the use effect we are initializing our audio. So I'm just getting the audio from this particular CDN using a wasm file, and here we are just initializing our audio classifier as well. We are passing our audio as well as the model asset path. So here you can just pass the model asset path, or if you want you can download the model and then reference that path as well. And here inside our HTML you can see I have taken this audio tag, and this is our audio which I'm passing now. Instead of this you can take whatever you feel like. If you have some other audio you can use that. And on button click, all I'm doing is that I'm just checking if all of these are initialized. If yes, and if the audio is already playing, then I'm pausing the audio. And if the audio context is not already initialized, I'm initializing the audio context as well, and then I'm playing the audio. Then we are getting the URL from our audio, converting it to a response by using fetch, then converting it to an array buffer, and then passing that array buffer sample to our decode audio data of audio context. And whatever is the audio buffer, we pass it, we get the get channel data as well as the sample rate and pass it to the audio classifier.classify method. And here you get a list of results. Now it's up to you. You can either add a check on whatever is the top score, based on that get a one particular result, but here I'm printing out all the results. Yeah, so here you can get the categories, timestamp, top category, top score as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.